Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm Irene C. Pasioles. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids, 18, 12 years old, and 4 years old. My religion is UCCP, United Church Christ in the Philippines. I have 5 in our family. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am high school graduate. I have experience in 3 years in Philippines.
How many person you serve?
I serve four
Members of the family.
members in a family.
4 days.
Consists 1 couple and 2 kids.
How old?
Their age is 2 years old and 9 years old.
What did you do as a helper?
I am the one as a helper. As a helper, I do cleaning, washing dishes, ironing, cooking, and take care of the baby and children.
Okay, so you don't have any baby here. You just take care of the kids, right?
Yes,
Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong now?
for my future kid, for my kids' future.
Okay. And who will look for your children if you're going to Hong Kong?
My grandmother.
Your grandmother is still healthy to look for
Yes,
them?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so your husband is a driver?
Yes, ma'am.
You're still living with your husband?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my service is you like me.
So as long your employer needs you, you
Yes.
will work with them. Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given
Yes.
only twice a month off, and the 2 off will pay you. Is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept or to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will focus my job.
Okay. And you know how to cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes, I love kids, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi, good day, sir. Please hire me. I am a hardworking person. I am honest. If your child, I will take care for your child like my child. I love her very much like my child. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2135.